How to enable the privacy mode in Hermes AI agent. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can attain absolute privacy by enabling the privacy mode in Hermes AI agent. So for that, simply follow these simple and easy steps. The first thing that we're going to do is simply you will need to log into your Hermes portal. So simply log into the Hermes AI agent website and then click on portal. It will lead you to this website right here, and you will need to log in with your credentials. Now once you are logged in, simply scroll down and click on account settings. Now within account settings, you will see the privacy settings. So now you can choose how Nous Research handles your data. For more info, you can also read their privacy policy. The first one is a standard. This means inference payloads may be used by Nous Research to improve products for everyone. And the another one is privacy mode. This means inference payloads are not stored by Nous Research and they would want use them for training, product improvement, or support. So that's how easily you can enable the privacy mode in your Hermes AI account or your AI agent. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.